Hello, Matt with Fox Valley Plumbing here in the Barrington area today, installing a SumPro Platinum system. This was a custom designed system. So reason being is these are actually the BA33 pumps that are 3rd horsepower. You got about 40 gallons per minute pumping power here. And this is a platinum charger. So the reason why these are the best systems on the market, this is a stainless steel jacket on here, and you have a stainless steel screen and impeller on this. This is going to be your best option on a sump pump here. Also, it's designed with a small footprint, so you can fit 2 pumps side by side inside a standard basin. This here is the Ion Genesis. This is going to be the brains of the operation. This is our alternator. It alternates both pumps during normal use. So the sequence is these 2 pumps will go in the hole and they will plug into the Ion Genesis. Then at that point we'll have the switch. The Ion switch is what controls the system. So there's 2 of them. There'll be one mounted low and one mounted high, one off each pump. They plug into the Ion. So you'll have both pumps, both switches plugging into this. Then the Ion will plug into the SumPro. And the SumPro is battery backup will be these 2 batteries here, maintenance free. These are from the manufacturer, and they're heavy duty marine batteries. So we would always recommend using manufacturer recommended batteries. Some of you out there may have one of these systems that looks similar, and it's a gold and black front on it. That this is the what they've come out with now. This is what's replaced that. It's got a plastic housing now. So the difference is that was an analog system. It may have like a red and green light on it. This system here it's got some telemetry, so it's gonna let us know how much battery life you have left. So this is your inverter. It takes the 120 voltage of your outlet and it's gonna turn it into power here for these pumps. If you're looking to get a system like this installed in your home anywhere in the Chicagoland area, I would expect to pay somewhere around $2,000, $2,500, depending on what you pick. But you can look us up on the web if you want something like this or something similar put in your home at foxvalleyplumbing.com.